Welcome to a brief overview of Goshen College's payment plans. This tutorial will guide you through the basic steps of establishing a Nelnet account, choosing the correct plan, and activating your plan. The Nelnet Payment Plan is an easy way to pay for college over time without late fees or finance charges. The payments are flexible and it's easy to enroll. You can also make one-time payments online through Nelnet. Depending on when you enroll, you can have up to 6 months of payments per semester. As you can see, we've eliminated the annual plan and added a plan to cover May and summer semesters. We continue to offer separate plans just for continuing studies students enrolled in 6-month semesters. Traditional undergraduate and graduate students taking classes in the fall, spring, May, or summer semesters should not use these plans. You can choose to have the payments come automatically out of your checking or savings account at no extra cost. If you use a credit or debit card, Nelnet charges an additional processing fee per transaction. Payments automatically come out of your account every month. Nelnet sends an email reminder before that so you know when you have a payment coming up. There are no interest charges on a Nelnet plan, just a one-time enrollment fee of $25 per semester. You have 2 options for accessing the payment plan system. One is going through the Goshen College Accounting Office webpage shown here, and click to enroll in a monthly payment plan. The other option is to go directly to the Nelnet website at www.mycollegepaymentplan.com/Goshen. To begin, the student needs to create a username and password to use every time they set up a new payment plan or make an online payment. If you want to set up a payment plan and you are not the student, stop. The student is responsible to set up the plan and designate you as an authorized payer. To create an account, the student must have a valid email address. After entering the email address, the student must enter their name, address, and phone numbers. Their email address will copy over from the previous screen, but you can add other email addresses here if you like. Then click Next. Set up a password that is at least 8 characters long and contains at least 1 letter and 1 number. You will also need to set up a series of security questions. After you have created an account, set up your payment plan by clicking the green button. If you log out and come back later to set up a payment plan, you will see your name on the right side of the screen when you log in. Nelnet offers a lot of help through this process. Clicking on the customer service link in the top right corner opens a new tab with the answers to the most common questions and a toll-free number to call if you need more help. A Spanish version of the Nelnet site is now available. Click on the link at the top of the screen to switch between English and Spanish. Select the term you will be setting up. Regular traditional students will choose the payment plan for the upcoming semester. Only current available options are displayed when you sign in. Before you choose a plan that does not match your upcoming semester, please get in touch with us in the accounting office to explore other options. Note that you can also use this system to make a single payment to a student account. You will need to know your student ID number and enter it into the space provided here. If you do not know your student ID number, please check your ID card or contact the Goshen College Accounting Office. Parents, your student has to give us permission online before we can discuss specifics with you. If you are an authorized payer for multiple students, please make sure to add each one separately. Next, select the student for whom you'd like to set up a payment plan. Enter the amount you would like to set up the payment plan for in the box. If you are not sure how much you will need, get that information from your financial aid award letter, your bill, MyGC, or the accounting office. Nelnet is not directly connected to the college's accounting system and does not know what you owe. Select the payment option you would like. The screen will tell you how much your monthly payments will be, when your payments will begin, and the last day to enroll for that plan. Note that depending on which plan you choose and when you set it up, there may be a payment due right away. The enrollment fee will always be due on the day that you sign up. The default payment date is the 1st of the month. Next, select your method of payment. This will be the account the payments will come from every month. Please note that there is an additional fee to use a credit or debit card for your payments. There is no additional fee for paying directly from your bank account. Add your payment account information on this screen. This screen will give you payment details, including the amount due today and the remaining balance due. Next, you will see a payment schedule with payment dates and amounts. Note that the default due date for payments is now the 1st of the month. This is your confirmation screen. If anything is incorrect or needs to be changed, you can make changes on any of the sections here by clicking on the change links. Once you confirm everything is correct, read the terms and conditions through the link at the top of the window, click the box to confirm, and then click the Authorize button. The next step is to read over this personalized terms and conditions page. Click that you've read it and hit Authorize to finish setting up your plan. Congratulations! You have a payment plan set up for the next semester. One note for international families. You can choose to wire funds to your student's local bank account, and the student can set up a payment plan using that account. If you plan to pay Goshen College directly from outside the United States, please use Flywire to make your payments. They offer competitive exchange rates and are very easy to use. We're here if you need us. Thanks for watching.